I want that toy, he pleaded, he requested his father. His father looked at him red eyed in anger, in his familiar tyrant's way. He must be strict, you know. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender and giving him her finger to hold and said, "Look, child, what is before you? See." Now, father straightforwardly said no, showed him red eyed, showed him anger, while mother, soft hearted, tried to distract the attention of the kid. It was a flowering mustard field, pale like melting gold. Mustard field, yellow color, looking like melting gold as it swept across miles and miles of even land. It was looking beautiful and awesome when anybody would gaze at it. A group of dragonflies were buzzing about on their gaudy purple wings, intercepting the flight of a lone black bee or butterfly in search of sweetness from the flowers. What is sweetness from the flowers? That means nectar. Yeah? The child followed them in the air with his gaze, till one of them would still its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it. Now, kids are so innocent. He ran after butterfly to catch it, but it would go fluttering. It doesn't come in hands easily, flapping up into the air when he had almost caught it in his hands. Then his mother gave a cautionary call. Careful call. Come, child, come. Come on to the footpath. The child was busy watching the shiny purple wings of dragonflies. Meanwhile, his mother called out to come on the footpath. He ran towards his parents gaily and walked abreast of them for a while, being, however, soon left behind, attracted by little insects and worms along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine. It means he ran towards his parents happily and was walking with parents hand in hand. Abreast of them means the road was quite wide, it had space for people to walk. Being, however, soon left behind, as he was attracted by the little insects, he was chasing them that are teeming toward out from their hiding places, coming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine. And the kid kept on running behind them. Soon he recognized that he has lost the path. Come, child, come, his parents called from the shade of grove, where he had seated themselves on the edge of a well. He ran towards them. Shade of a grove means a clump of trees. So he ran towards his parents. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child as he entered the grove, and forgetting his parents, he began to gather the raining petals. First, he started running behind insects. You see, children, they enjoy in little things, and then he started enjoying, then he started bemused by raining petals in his hand. Petals were falling upon him. But lo, see, he heard the cooing of doves, the voice of pigeons, and ran towards his parents, shouting, "The dove, the dove!" Come, child, come, they called to the child, who had now gone running in wild capers round the banyan tree, and gathering him up, they took the narrow, winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard fields.